In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free proxy for your survey and other online platforms like maybe PayPal. If you've been trying to sign up to survey platforms or maybe any other online platforms like PayPal and you're being kicked out, or you've already signed up and you're trying to get answers to your survey questions, and each time you try to answer, you get kicked out. The reason is not because of your answer. The reason is because you're using a bad proxy or VPN. Now, in this particular video, I'm actually going to show you how to get the proxy and get it for free, because I know how much it costs to actually pay for proxy and VPN to actually start surveys. And now you're still starting out and you don't have money to actually purchase the paid ones. This particular one is actually going to work for you. In this particular video, guys, I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to show you the platform where you can actually get it, and I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to connect it to the platform and make sure that it works for you. Alright, so before we get started, let me introduce myself. My name is Ebenezer Link, and one of the things I do on this particular channel, the Grind Academy, is I create awesome videos that is basically centered around making money online. And you know, survey is actually one of the ways to make money online. I am that guy that wants to see you win. So if you just see me for the first time and you've not subscribed to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon. Now what that is going to do is that when I drop awesome videos like that, you get notified and you get to put into action what I show in the video before others. Remember, I am that guy that wants you to win. If you are getting value, make sure you like this video and drop me a comment if you have any comments or questions that you want to share with me. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first thing first, we're going to need to go to this particular platform that is called Hua.com, and if I refresh it, you're going to see that it's showing my IP. I'm actually here to show you my IP, and then we'll get to change it, and then we'll also see my IP again. So we have my IP. It shows that I'm a Noma here, right? And it shows the network that I'm using, and it shows my proxy, and it shows everything, right? So if I actually get on to carry out surveys with this, it's not really going to work. So I'll actually want to hide my IP. So how do I do that? So I'm gonna go to Play Store. So if we come to Play Store, we're gonna search for this app, SocksProxy. Once we search for it, we're gonna install it. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to install again, and it's really easy to actually use. So now that you've installed it, this is actually the app from where we're going to get the proxy from. I'm going to show you how to connect it. So how do you connect it? We're going to be able to download another app called SocksDroid. Come to Google and type SocksDroid APK. This app used to be on Play Store, but it's no longer there. You're going to click on the first one, which says socksdroid.en.softonic.com. So you're going to click on it, and you're going to see free download. It's actually free to download, and you're going to download it. So now let's actually get back to the apps that we are going to use for this. We're going to open SocksProxy, right? So once it opens up, it's going to be like this, and we're going to have options right here. We have from 3 options. We have premium proxies, standard, static, free with ads. So we're going to click on free with ads. So what we're going to do is, you can see ads is actually playing on my screen right now. What we're going to do is watch ads, and then we'll get coins which we're going to use to get this proxy. So we're going to get this off, and if we come over right here, we have proxies. Yeah, we have proxies from Bahrain, United Arab Emirates, Russia, Brazil, France, Belgium, Sweden, Denmark, Australia, Canada, Germany, United Kingdom, United States. So let's actually try any of this, but let's try United Kingdom. So let's try United Kingdom. It has 3 options. It says with username and password, no username and password, all authentication types. So I'm actually going to click with username and password. I can actually go with any of them. Now I'm going to watch another ad to actually see get the stuff. So when the ad is done playing, I'm just going to click off right here, and you see that it's going to show me proxies. So you have the one that has red or warning signs by the side. That are the ones you should not even try. Don't even look at them. So look at the ones that don't have warning signs. So we have this one. This one says England, Vodafone UK England. So I'm just going to open it. Right, so we're seeing this, right? Country, United Kingdom, region England, Micham, and ISP, Vodafone.uk. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this. We're going to copy this one. You're going to copy this, and we're going to go to SocksDroid. So open SocksDroid, and you can see the interface right here. So I've been using this, so I have profiles here. These are like proxies I've actually connected to. So your own is actually going to be clean if you're going to be using it for the first time. So you have the 3 dots up here. So in that place where we have the 3 dots, we're just going to click on it, and we're going to see add profile. So we'll click on add profile. So I'm going to give this a name. It's Micham, right? Which is basically I think it's actually the city where we're actually getting this from. So we're going to click on OK. So once we click on OK, we're going to see these options right here. So remember we copied this. So I just click again to copy it, and we're going to come back to server IP, and we're going to paste everything here. Now we're going to copy the last 5 digits. We're going to copy the last 5 digits, chords, and then delete that colon there, and then we're going to click on OK, right? So we'll have ports here. We're going to delete this, and then we're going to paste this as ports. We're going to click on OK, right? So we'll have here username and password authentication. We're going to click it. We're going to check it, and we're going to come back here, copy the username, come over here, paste it. So that's quite easy. And then we have password. We're going to come here, copy the password, and we're going to paste it. And just like that, we've actually set it up. So to actually connect, we're going to come to the top side here, and if we click on it, we'll click it, it's going to connect. Now if you look up if you look above the screen right here, I'm not sure I can actually annotate right now. You're going to see it has a key, and then it says this actually just came up, right? Don't mind that. It has a key up here, and now we're going to check if it actually reflected. If it didn't actually reflect, we're going to try a new IP right there, right from the Socks proxy we have. So we're going to go back to, we're going to need to come back to our browser, and we're going to come to Hua, and then we're going to like refresh on hua.com. Now because it just got connected, it's going to actually be a little bit slow. So it's actually going to be a little bit slow, but if you wait for a while and it doesn't refresh, know that it's not working. So it actually refreshed right now, and if you see it refreshed and it says Oldham, England, United Kingdom, Vodafone, right? And it's a residential proxy, which is actually the best kind of proxy to use for your surveys and for any other thing, right? So you see that this is actually okay. So actually, before you go back to your surveys, right, be sure to change the time on your phone to actually match with the time of the IP that you're working with. All right, so that is it, and that is how to actually access free proxies for your survey and other online platforms. All right, so now that I've shown you this value, and I know you've gotten this value, be sure to leave us with a like and drop a comment in the comment section.